First of all, I will like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 57 for grade 1 mathematics. Yesterday, guys, we started a new chapter that is multiplication, and we learned the first topic of the multiplication, that was repeated addition. In the book, we checked the example that Jimbo was having one cap and his mother bought him one more cap. So he total have two caps. One, he was having already, one her mother brought him, right? So we learned the concept of double also yesterday, that whenever we add a number by itself, so we find out its double. Like there, there was one cap. If we need to find out the double, so we add one with one and we'll get two. And in if we want to find out the double of 2, we add 2 with number 2, and 2 plus 2 equals to 4. And if we want to find out the double of 3, we add 3 with 3, so 3 plus 3 will be 6. And we practice this a lot, how we can find out the double of different numbers, right? So you can find out the double of any number now. You can find out the double of 5, double of 6, double of 8, double of 10. What you need to do, you just need to add that number two times. If you are finding out the double of 8, so add 8 two times. 8 plus 8. If you're finding out the double of 5, add 5 plus 5. If you're finding out the double of 4, add 4 with 4. In that way, you can find out the double of any number. Let's look at again the example 2 here. In this example, you can see there are two groups of macaroons. In every group, there are how many macaroons? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 macaroons in one group, and there are two groups. So one method is you can add 5 and 5 and then 10, right? You know, guys, repeated addition is also, you can say, a multiplication. But remember, for repeated addition, for adding a number by itself, if you have two groups, so two groups must be having same number of objects in one group. Let's suppose this is group A and this is group B. So in group A, there are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 macaroons, and in group B also there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 macaroons. So you can either do 5 plus 5, or you can multiply 5 by 2 in order to answer it, right? But if there is 3 macaroons and there is 5, so you can only add it, you cannot multiply it, okay? For multiplication, you should have same objects in all groups. If there are 3 groups, they all must be having same number of objects. Okay, because if you are adding a number by itself, that's mean if there is 5, there is 5. So that's mean you are adding 5 and 5, because they both are having same number of objects. Both are having same macaroons. But if it is 5, it is 3. So you are not adding same number, you are adding two different numbers. So two different numbers will not refer you a multiplication. This is only addition. Two same numbers refer you repeated addition, and this repeated addition of a number is called multiplication. This repeated addition of a number is called multiplication, and it is very easy and it is a quick method. Why? Because it is two groups. Let's suppose there are 4 groups of macaroons. In every group there is 5, there is 5, there is 5. All right. So it will bother you to add 5 plus 5 plus 5 and then 5. If you know the tables, if you know multiplication, you will check how many groups are there: 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in one group, how many macaroons are there? 5. So you multiply 4 by 5 and you will get the answer. Like there are 2 groups, so you multiply 2 by 5. Why 5? Because there are 5 macarons in one group. Look here. What is the multiplication sign of what multiplication sign we used in mathematics for representing multiplication? So we use this sign. This is like cross, like this X. This is the multiplication sign we used to represent multiplication. Okay. So there were two groups of five. So that's why we write two. And in our one group, there are five macarons. We multiply it by five. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. And in that way also we have 10 macarons altogether. Whether we do addition, repeated addition, or we do multiplication, we are going to have the same answer. Everything is clear up to here, guys? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everything is clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes.
right.
How
All
are
right.
you,
All right.
sir?
Very good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes,
Very good.
sir.
Now I'm going to go to the next page. So please open page number 64 of your book. Guys, please open page number 64 of your book. Page number 64 of your book. There is a practice exercise and you have to find out the double of each of the following. Question 1 is saying find out the double of each of the following. Each means also A and for B. All right. In A, there are some rackets. I should count how many rackets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 rackets and we have to find out the double of 7. So you guys are going to help me. How can I find out a double of 7? How can I find out the double of 7? Azam Saleh. Azam Saleh. Can you hear me, Azam? Yes, Azam, can you hear me? Hello, Azam.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Azam, I want to find out the double of 7. What should I do in order to find out the double of 7? Yes, Azam, waiting for your answer. What should I do in order to find out the double of 7? I should add 7 with what number in order to find out its double? Yes,
7.
7. 7 plus 7, you mean? Yes.
Yes.
So 7 plus 7 equals to what? You can check here by drawing line. Look here, Azam. Draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You have to add 7 more. Again, draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now count how many total lines are there. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
7.
7,
7.
8,
8,
9,
9,
10, 11,
10,
12,
14.
13, and 14. How many total lines are there?
14.
14. So 7 plus 7 equals to? Yes.
14.
Double of 7 equals to
7.
14. Very good. Very good.
14.
Very good. Guys, I repeat. In order to find out the double, first you count. These are 7. It is mentioned also in the book, but I'm repeating. It is 7. So that's mean you need to find out the double of 7. So in order to find out the double of 7, you will add 7 with 7. You will add the number by itself. So you will add 7 with 7. When you add 7 and 7, so it will become 14. I will write here 14. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. This is 14. And double of 7 equals to also 14. So you have to write it. 7 plus 7 equals to 14 and double of 7 is also equals to 14. Now it is tomato on B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 tomatoes. I want to find out the double of 10. Abdul Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Rahman, I want to find out the double of 10. Double of 10. How can I find the double of 10? What should I do? Yes.
10 the plus 10 equal 20.
Very good. Very good. You mean I write 10 plus 10. Is that you mean? And 10 plus 10 equals to what?
20.
20. Very good. 10 plus 10 is already written here. Okay. Let me take one more student to answer it. Abdul Malik Hassan.
Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Malik. I want to find out the double of 10. How can I find out the double of 10?
10 plus 10.
10
10
plus
plus
10.
10.
Very good. Yes, so what is the double of 10? If I add 10 with 10, what will be the result?
Count.
20.
20. Very good. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. But try to answer by yourself. Don't take help from your parents.
Count.
Okay?
Count here.
Take
Yes,
care.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Alright, guys. Again, I repeat, in order to find out the double of 10, you will add 10 by itself. This means you will write 10 plus 10. You don't need to write, but how you have to do it. It's already written here. 10 plus 10. In order to add 10 with 10, you have too many ways. Either you can draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you can draw one more time 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you count all these lines, this will be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So this will be 20. This is the one method. Another method you can do by using addition, simple addition, like we did tens, ones, right here in tens, 11001 plus 11001. Okay. Now add the ones. 0 plus 0 equals to 0 and 1 plus 1 equals to 2. In that way, you can also write the answer. So 10 plus 10 equals to 20. I will write here 20. 20. 20 here, and also there. Coming to the question number 2, guys. Question number 2. Match, and one has been done for you. So you have to look here questions. This is 5 plus 5. So you have to find out the answer first. You have to add 5 with 5. Look here. I do it for you. For 5 plus 5, I will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I draw 5 more lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Count all the lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 5 plus 5 equals to 10. The second thing you need to watch out the number. Where is that 10? So this is 14, 12, 2, and 10. And then you have to draw a line from its top to that dot. Okay. In that way, you will find out, you will match the sum with this with its answer, or the double with its answer. All right. The example I explained to you. Now you have to answer me. Double of 4. So double of 4. Amar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amar. Can you tell me double of 4? How to find out double of 4? How can I find double of 4?
8.
How do you know? Yes, how do you know double of 4 is 8? What you did?
Because
Hmm.
I make it
Hmm.
by my fingers.
What you make it with your fingers? You should have first in your mind what you're doing. Are you doing addition? Are you doing subtraction? What you are doing?
Make
Yes. If you need to find
the
out double of 4, what you will do? You will add or you will subtract?
after 4,
Hmm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
This means you are adding, right?
Yes,
So what number you are adding with 4? This is 4. 4 plus what?
4.
4 plus 4. You will add 4 with 4 to find out double. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me check with one more student, then I will tell you your answer is correct or not. Okay. Ilhaj, can you hear me? Ilhaj, can you hear me? Yes, Ilhaj. Please tell me, how can I find out the double of 4? Yes.
2.
Double of 4 equals to what?
2 plus 2 equal 4.
I am not asking double of 2. I want to know double of 4.
Double 4.
Yes. How do you know?
I do it by my fingers.
You add 4 plus what number? 4 plus what number will give you 8? How you are finding out it's double?
Like four and four equal eight. Like this.
Okay, very good.
8 and 8.
Very good, very good.
Four
All right,
four.
guys.
This is
So
four and
Ilhaj,
four. Eight.
Ilhaj and Mark, they both are correct. The answer is 8. Because whenever we need to find out the double of any number, we will add the number by itself. If you need to find out the double of 4, so you will add 4 with 4. You will add 4 with 4. Guys, if I ask you, how do you know? So tell me, sir, because I add 4 with 4. When we find out the double, so we add the number by itself. If I ask you, if I ask you double of 5 equals to 10, you say, sir, 10. If I ask you, how do you know? So you have to tell me, sir, I add 5 with 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. If I ask you what is double of 4, you said, sir, 8. How do you know? Sir, I add 4 and 4. So the answer is 8. In that way, I know that double of 4 is 8. Okay, this is the explanation. If I ask, how do you know? You have to tell me, sir, because 4 plus 4 equals to 8. All right. The next number is 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7. Ahmad Muhammad. 7 plus 7 equals to what?
14.
14. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. I'll take one more student to answer it. He's sure that answer is 14, but I am not sure. The next student is Adam Umar. Adam Umar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Adam. I want to know about the answer of 7 plus 7. Can you tell me 7 plus 7 equals to what?
7 plus 7.
Yes. Yes.
14.
14. Very good. For 7 plus 7, you can draw 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you draw again 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You count all the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So that will be 14. So you both are right. Adam and Ahmad Muhammad. The answer is 14. Guys, what you need to do, you need to use ruler to match this. Like double of 4 was 8. So you have to match like this. Okay. And 7 plus 7 equals to 14. So where is 14? This is 14, like this. In that way, you have to match it. Double of 4 equals to 8, and double of 7 plus 7 equals to 14. All right. Coming to the now, double of 8. Double of 8. Who is that Zoom user? Yes. What is your name?
My name is Hamza Ahmad Suleiman.
Hamza Ahmad Suleiman. Why you came with that name, Zoom user?
I don't know.
Use your name. Always use your name in the class so that I can recognize you. Okay, Hamza Ahmad Suleiman. Answer me, please. I need to find out the double of 8. Can you tell me double of 8? How will I find double of 8?
Double of 8 is 16.
How do you know?
Because I
Yes.
count my fingers.
What you count by your fingers? How do you find out the double? What you did? Addition? Do you add some number?
I put it in my head and add on my finger.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. I will take one more turn to answer it. 8 plus 8 is, and to whom I will ask? Abdul Rauf.
Yes, sir.
Abdul Rauf, can you tell me double of 8? I need to find out double of 8.
8 plus 8, 8 in mind. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16.
Very good, very good. That's mean you add 8 and 8, right?
Okay.
Thank you. Yes,
Welcome.
guys. So what they both students did, in order to find out the double of 8, you have to add 8 with 8. So you will add 8 and 8. 8 plus 8 equals to what? So you can use your fingers in order to add these two 8s, or you can draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again 8. Okay. Now start counting. These are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So double of 8 is equals to 16. Now you have to check where is 16. This is 16. So join the 16 with double of 8. Okay. Join this double of 8 with 16. Now 6 plus 6. The next question is 6 plus 6. Who did not answer from yesterday? Um, Abdullah.
Hurry, Ustad.
Abdullah,
Teacher.
what is your
Hello,
full name?
teacher.
Hello, what is your full name? Abdullah, what is your full name?
عبد الله صالح الرشيد.
All right. You are using only one device right now? You are only with one device right now, or you have login with too many? I have too many Abdullahs in my class right now. Are you with only one ID or more than one ID? Abdullah,
Hello, Dad. Hello, teacher.
are you using one ID for the in this class or more than one ID or you have login into the class? Answer me please.
16.
All right. So the question I am going to ask you, that is 6 plus 6. Can you tell me 6 plus 6 equals to what?
6.
Yes, 6 plus 6 equals to what?
Yes.
Yes,
6
what?
plus 6.
Yes,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 plus 6 equals to what?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 12.
Very good. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So can you see 12? Look, where is 12?
12 this.
Second,
Yes.
join this 12 with this. All right. Another Abdullah. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Abdullah, what is your full name? What is your full name? All right. Double of 1. Can you tell me double of 1?
2.
2. Very good. Can you find here 2?
What?
Look here. Is there 2? This is 2.
Yes.
So match 2 with this. This is your answer.
What?
So guys, double of 1 is 2. Why double of 1 is 2? Because in order to find out the double of any number, you add the number by itself. So if you add 1 with 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Find out 2 here and you match it. So this is going to the end of our today's class. I hope you understand and you will practice in your home. I'll meet you inshallah into the next class. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, Gamal.
Bye bye.
Bye, Omar.
Bye.